masakit sa ilong. So, the last one. Okay? Ang ganda ng packaging nila, in fairness. So, Peony and Blush Sweet. Oh my God. Wait lang. We need to hurry. So, oh my God. Ang bango niya. Yung very luxurious. Para ka nasa lobby ng hotel. Ayun. Tapos, you're playing bossa nova na mga songs. Anyways, lahat ay mabango. Lahat ay gusto ko. And I'm happy. I'm happy to receive random gifts like this. So, it comes with a good packaging, purple and pink. Yun. So, if you want to order, Decants. Try it. Bye. Thank you.